In this video, I will compare Morgen versus Google Calendar and tell you whether it's worth it to actually get a subscription with Morgen or even use their free plan, or whether the Google Calendar is just as good and it's just not worth it to use Morgen. So in this video, I will answer that question. Now first, let's cover the features that you will get in the free Google Calendar that you will get with your Google account. So right here, I'm in my Google Calendar. Now, of course, you have the ability to create blocks. So this is called time boxing in Morgen. Now, this is a very basic feature. For example, I can create a block here. For example, I can call this one gym, and then from 8:15 until 10 a.m. I will be going to the gym. Then you could also set it to this task repeats. For example, if I click repeat here, I can have it repeat daily. And then you will see now every day from 8:15 until 10 a.m. it will be set to me going to the gym. You'll see if I go to the entire year, and let's say I go to the 5th of November, you will see it will be scheduled in there. So that is a feature included in Google Calendar. Now you can also create events right here. So you can create events, task, or appointment scheduling. So for example, you can set up a schedule where you create a booking page that you can share with others so that they can book time with you themselves. So for example, for the 17th right here, they could then book in anywhere right here where I want them to be able to book in. So when should you use Morgen? Because Morgen does have a free plan, which is great, but they also have a pro plan. Now the reason that you may want to use Morgen is, first of all, in the basic plan here, you may just prefer the way that the Morgen platform looks and feels, so the user interface may be better for your needs. And in the free plan, you have the Morgen team availability, so you can see when your team is available. Now the reason that you may want to upgrade to Pro, which is 15 euros per month, or when you bill yearly 9 euros per month, is that here you will get unlimited calendar integrations. You can do task integrations and time blocking, and you will also be able to set up a booking page and scheduling links, which is also available in Google Calendar. But the main reason, in my opinion, is that you will be able to set up integrations and automations. So in terms of integrations, you can integrate with a bunch of to-do apps such as ClickUp and Notion. And then you can simply drag in your tasks from those apps into your calendar, and that makes it really simple to just plan out your day every single day. So if you are using any of these apps, Notion, Todoist, Linear, Google Tasks, ClickUp, or soon Obsidian, then I would definitely consider upgrading to Morgen's Pro plan. And here you will kind of see what it looks like. So you can have, for example, your Notion tasks right there, and then you can click on it and you will see all of your Notion tasks, and then you can simply drag them into your calendar wherever you want to do them, and it will then just import all of the time that it takes, the description, and all of that. Now you can also set up automatic buffers. So for example, between meetings, you may not want to have back-to-back meetings, but you would like to have 15 minutes in between. So you can set up buffers where you will make sure that you won't have back-to-back tasks or meetings. Now, if you want to get started with Morgen, because for some people it's definitely worth it, and the free plan is also great to just try out, since you may prefer the way that it feels and looks and works. But if you do want to get started with the free plan, or even the paid plan, then you can click on the link down in the description, then there click get started, and just gonna create your account. Now I already have an account, but then once you do decide to actually upgrade to the pro plan, if you want to do that, you can either get personal or team subscription. But for example, I'll go with personal, then you can bill either monthly or yearly. Let's say you want to do yearly, and then at checkout you can click add discount, and then here you can enter code HOW210 and then click on apply, and you will see this gives you a 10% discount. So if you want to claim this, go and click on the link down in the description for Morgen, and then at checkout it may be applied automatically. If not, just enter code HOW210. So that concludes this comparison of Morgen versus Google Calendar. So you should go with Google Calendar if you're looking for a very basic calendar that has some time blocking features and just allows you to plan out your day. And go with Morgen if you need some more advanced features such as integrations and automations. Also, if you want to work together with your team, you should also go with Morgen. If this comparison of Morgen versus Google Calendar was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.